Alright guys, here we are, an update after the Hurricane Ian came by. We're just checking the boat out, and the worst we've had is our front cockpit cover right there has been ripped off completely and is all messed up, and I've been trying to get somebody to replace it. It's 18 years old anyway, so it needs to be replaced. Other than that, everything went perfectly. Everything looks good, no problems, and we're getting ready for a sandbar adventure this coming week, hopefully, if the weather cooperates. But everything else is good. Everything looks awesome. Everything is the way it should be. And here we are at the inside. Everything ripped, and there's a bunch of lint all over the place from that cover, flapping all over the place. See all that? A little bit on the floor. Yeah, the winds was really flapping in here. Look at that. Yeah, it needs to be replaced. Other than that, everything looks good. Everything's protected.
To subscribe now, all you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button below. It's free, and you'll be part of the Keys Boating Channel family. Thanks for your support.